Hi guys, today in this video, I will tell you how to reset JBL headphones. These resetting methods work for all JBL headsets. There are a few issues that require us to reset headphones, such as a software bug, a signal loss, a connection issue, or frequent disconnections. So let's see how to reset JBL Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure that the headphones are turned on and that the Bluetooth is turned off on your devices. To do this, go to the Bluetooth settings menu on your device and turn it off. Hold down the volume up and volume down buttons for about 10 seconds until the LED indicator light begins to blink. When the LED light starts blinking, it means the device has been reset. Turn Bluetooth back on, forget the headset from the settings, and repair it again. If your headphones are not resetting, make sure that your headset isn't connecting to one of your other devices. Go to Bluetooth in your settings, click on Forget on that one, and then try reconnecting on the intended device. If your headset doesn't have volume up and volume down buttons, then you should apply this method. Make sure that your headphones are turned off. You should also disconnect the headphones from your device. Once you have done this, then press and hold the power button on your headset. Keep holding the button until the Bluetooth headset's light indicator flashes blue. Turn on the Bluetooth and pair the headphones with your device again. I hope this method worked for you. If yes, consider liking and subscribing to Hi-Fi Audios.